Are you tired of stubborn body fat? Let's fix that. Many people struggle with body fat, and it can be incredibly frustrating. You might feel like you've tried everything from fad diets to intense workout routines, but nothing seems to work. The good news is there are effective strategies to help you reduce body fat and achieve the body you desire. In this video, we'll break down what body fat percentage is, why it matters, and how you can reduce it quickly and effectively. So, let's dive in and get started on your journey to a healthier, leaner you. First, what is body fat percentage? Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone looking to improve their fitness and overall health. Body fat percentage is a measure of the amount of fat in your body compared to everything else: muscles, bones, water, and other tissues. It's a more accurate indicator of fitness than weight alone because it distinguishes between fat and lean mass. Knowing your body fat percentage can help you set realistic goals and track your progress more effectively. It's the amount of fat in your body compared to everything else: muscles, bones, water. This composition breakdown is essential because it gives you a clearer picture of your body's makeup. For example, two people can weigh the same but have very different body fat percentages, leading to different body shapes and health outcomes. A higher body fat percentage can increase the risk of various health issues, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. On the other hand, a lower body fat percentage is often associated with better athletic performance, improved metabolism, and overall well-being. Now, how do we reduce it? Reducing body fat requires a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. It's not just about cutting calories or spending hours at the gym, it's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. Let's explore some effective strategies to help you shed those extra pounds and achieve a leaner physique. Here are some quick tips. 1. Eat more protein. Protein is a crucial nutrient for anyone looking to reduce body fat. It helps build and repair muscle tissue, which in turn boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Additionally, protein has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it compared to fats and carbohydrates. Incorporate high-protein foods like chicken breasts, eggs, fish, beans, and protein shakes into your diet to support your fat loss goals. It helps build muscle and keeps you full longer. 2. Get moving. Regular physical activity is essential for reducing body fat. Both cardio and strength training play important roles in this process. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming help burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Strength training, on the other hand, helps build lean muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Aim for a balanced workout routine that includes both types of exercise for optimal results. Cardio and strength training are your best friends. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is often overlooked but is crucial for fat loss. Water helps your body function optimally, aids in digestion, and can even boost your metabolism. Staying hydrated also helps control hunger and prevent overeating, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Water helps your body burn more calories. 4. Sleep well. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and plays a significant role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase cravings for unhealthy foods, and slow down your metabolism. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to support your fat loss efforts. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make your sleep environment comfortable and free from distractions. Lack of sleep messes with your metabolism. 5. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. These foods are often high in empty calories and can lead to weight gain and increased body fat. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients, keep you full longer, and support your overall health. Reducing your intake of sugary drinks, snacks, and processed foods can make a significant difference in your fat loss journey. 1. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. They add extra calories without nutrition. Consistency is key. Making lasting changes to your diet and lifestyle requires consistency and patience. It's important to stay committed to your goals and not get discouraged by setbacks. Track your progress, celebrate small victories, and stay motivated by reminding yourself of the benefits of a healthier, leaner body. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family and consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional or nutritionist if needed. They add extra calories without nutrition. Consistency is key. Stick to these tips and watch that body fat drop. Remember, reducing body fat is a gradual process, and it's important to focus on sustainable changes rather than quick fixes. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals and enjoying a healthier, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching. Stick to these tips and watch that body fat drop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick fitness tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content to help you on your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Together, we can inspire and motivate each other to live healthier, happier lives. Stay tuned for more tips, workouts, and nutrition advice to help you reach your goals. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick fitness tips. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. Let's make it happen together. Welcome back. Now that we have a solid understanding of body fat percentage and how to reduce it, it's time to dive deeper. In this chapter, we will explore the different types of body fat, their functions, and how they affect your health. Understanding these distinctions can help you target fat loss more effectively and improve your overall well-being. First, let's talk about subcutaneous fat. This is the fat that lies just under your skin and is the most visible type of fat. It's the kind you can pinch, and while it can be aesthetically displeasing, it isn't necessarily harmful in moderate amounts. Subcutaneous fat serves as an energy reserve and helps protect your muscles and bones from injuries. Next, we have visceral fat. This type of fat is stored around your internal organs, such as your liver, pancreas, and intestines. Unlike subcutaneous fat, visceral fat is not visible and can be much more dangerous. High levels of visceral fat are linked to serious health issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and inflammation. Reducing visceral fat is crucial for improving your long-term health. Another type of fat worth mentioning is brown fat. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat actually burns calories to generate heat. This type of fat is more prevalent in infants but can also be found in adults, especially in the neck and upper back areas. Increasing brown fat activity through exposure to cold temperatures or certain types of exercise can help boost your metabolism and aid in fat loss. Lastly, there's intramuscular fat, which is stored within your muscle fibers. While some intramuscular fat is normal and can serve as an energy source during physical activity, excessive amounts are associated with insulin resistance and metabolic issues. Understanding these different types of body fat and their roles in your body can help you make more informed decisions about your diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. By targeting the more harmful types of fat, such as visceral fat, you can improve not only your appearance but also your health and longevity. Stay tuned for our next chapter where we'll dive into specific exercises and diet plans tailored to target these different types of body fat. Your journey to a healthier, leaner you continues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick fitness tips. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and live healthier lives. See you in the next video. Welcome back. In the previous chapters, we learned about body fat percentage and the different types of body fat. Now it's time to take action. In this chapter, we'll cover various exercises that are proven to help reduce body fat quickly and effectively. First up, we have high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. This type of workout is incredibly efficient at burning calories and reducing both subcutaneous and visceral fat. Examples of HIIT exercises include sprints, jumping jacks, and burpees. Aim for at least 30 minutes of HIIT 3 to 4 times a week for maximum results. Next, let's talk about strength training. Building muscle through weightlifting or bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats can help increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Focus on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Incorporate strength training into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Another effective fat-burning exercise is cardio. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming are excellent for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. To maximize fat loss, incorporate a mix of steady-state cardio at a moderate pace and more intense cardio sessions like hill sprints or interval training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of high-intensity cardio each week. Don't forget about flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga and Pilates. These workouts may not burn as many calories as HIIT or cardio, but they help reduce stress, improve muscle tone, and enhance overall body function. Plus, they can be a great way to stay active on rest days. Lastly, consider incorporating activities that you enjoy and can stick with long-term. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, finding a fun way to stay active will help you maintain your fitness routine and keep the fat off. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these exercises with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices to achieve the best results. Your journey to a leaner, healthier you is well underway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick fitness tips. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and live healthier lives. See you in the next video. Welcome back. In the previous chapters, we delved into understanding body fat, different types of body fat, and effective exercises to reduce it. Now let's focus on another crucial aspect of fat loss nutrition. In this chapter, we'll discuss dietary changes and tips that can help you lower your body fat percentage. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the importance of a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of nutrients from different food groups helps ensure that your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs to function optimally. Aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. One of the most impactful changes you can make is to reduce your intake of added sugars and refined carbohydrates. Foods like sugary drinks, candies, pastries, and white bread can spike your blood sugar levels and contribute to fat storage. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Next, let's talk about protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, and it also helps keep you satiated. Incorporate a variety of protein sources into your diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and nuts. Aim for at least 30 grams of protein per meal to support muscle maintenance and fat loss. Healthy fats are another crucial component of a fat loss-friendly diet. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad. In fact, healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can help regulate your metabolism and support overall health. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as fats are calorie-dense. Hydration is often overlooked but plays a vital role in fat loss. Drinking enough water helps regulate your metabolism, supports digestion, and can even reduce feelings of hunger. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water a day, and consider drinking a glass before meals to help control portion sizes. Meal timing and frequency can also impact your fat loss journey. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach, some people find success with intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Others may prefer eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to keep their energy levels stable. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and try to eat without distractions like TV or smartphones. This can help you enjoy your meals more and prevent overeating. Remember, nutrition is a key component of your fat loss journey. Combine these dietary tips with the exercises we discussed in the previous chapter, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Together we can achieve a leaner, healthier you. See you in the next video. Welcome back. In the previous chapters we explored the importance of understanding body fat, different types of body fat, effective exercises, and nutrition tips for lowering body fat. Now let's dive into another often overlooked but vital aspect of fat loss, the role of sleep and stress management. First, let's talk about sleep. Did you know that getting enough quality sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy body weight? When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which increases your appetite, and less of the hormone leptin, which tells your brain you're full. This hormonal imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. To improve your sleep quality, establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Make sure your sleep environment is conducive to rest by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Now let's discuss stress management. Chronic stress can significantly impact your ability to lose fat. When you're stressed, your body releases the hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area. High cortisol levels can also trigger cravings for unhealthy, high-calorie foods. Incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine can help manage cortisol levels and support your fat loss goals. Consider practices like yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Regular physical activity, which we covered in Chapter 3, is also an excellent way to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Another effective stress management technique is mindfulness meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness can help you stay present, reduce anxiety, and improve your emotional resilience. Apps like Headspace or Calm offer guided meditations that can make it easier to get started. Social support is another important factor in managing stress. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's friends, family, or a support group. Sharing your experiences and challenges with others can provide emotional relief and keep you motivated on your fat loss journey. Remember, achieving your fitness goals isn't just about diet and exercise. Prioritizing sleep and managing stress are equally important components of a holistic approach to fat loss. By combining these strategies with the tips we've discussed in previous chapters, you'll be well on your way to a leaner, healthier you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Together we can achieve a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. See you in the next video.